Hello and welcome, Victor here from Crewe, today presenting this Mercedes-Benz A-Class A180 Sport Edition Executive finished in red. It's powered by 1.3-litre petrol engine producing 136 PS and paired with smooth 7G-DCT automatic transmission. At the front, the diamond radiator grille with chrome detailing and LED high-performance headlamps give the car a sharp and modern look, and the car sits on 18-inch alloy wheels. At the rear, the LED taillights, a subtle roof spoiler and twin visible tailpipe complete the sporty appearance. The boot offers well-shaped and practical load area suitable for everyday shopping or weekend luggage. Split folding rear seats allow the space to be extended when needed. Moving inside, rear passengers benefit from comfortable seating, good legroom and ISOFIX mounting points, making the A-Class a practical option for family use. Up front, the modern and premium cabin features comfort heated seats and high-quality finish throughout. The seat comfort package enhances support for longer winter journeys. The leather-trimmed multifunction steering wheel includes gear shift paddles, placing key controls within easy reach. The digital instrument display provides clear driving information alongside assistance system feedback. On offer in this vehicle is a 2-zone thermotronic automatic climate control, allowing both driver and front passenger to set their preferred temperature. And infotainment system gives you access to DB radio and media playback via the MBUX touchscreen infotainment system, which also features phone connectivity with Bluetooth and smartphone integration, as well as hard disk navigation with live traffic information. You also get Hey Mercedes voice activation for key functions and vehicle and assistance settings with access to dynamic select, safety and assistance features settings. The driver will also benefit from the clear feedback from reversing camera and parking sensors to assist with maneuvering in tight spaces. This has been a presentation of the used Mercedes-Benz A-Class 180 Sport Edition Executive, now available at Crewe. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.